Assalamualaikum friends, here is personal care PSD mockup for Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri, escape I know for lifetime, and iPhone user can contact me. Here is my Facebook page, write Sheri, escape, follow me, and last is Telegram channel. I will provide every link of notification or video. Okay, so I know you can change everything in Photoshop. I know you're expert, but open this one. Okay, you see here your design. Here is main design, ring, texture, and here is a caps. For example, double click here, you can move or you can replace your own text, object. Control S for saving, and our data is here. For example, color change, right, pink color or yellow. Control S, you see here is color change, shadow to main body. Here is main body, here is color correction. Okay, that's mean you can edit everything. Shampoo, wow, that's mean you can change anything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, download this app for lifetime. Take care, love, peace.